People who are distorting the master plan of Abuja. Too bad. If your father has done that, sorry. If your mother has done that, sorry. There's nothing I can do. It will go down. And all these people who are doing land racketing. I'll talk to the staff tomorrow. There are a lot of people are involved. And let me tell you, that period of land racketing is what? Over. And those that government are giving CFO land, allocated land to them, they refuse to develop and use that they are becoming land speculators. The land is gone. I'm going to revoke them. I will revoke, because I don't understand how your government will give you land to develop, then you keep the land, that land that you may have paid for 200,000. You're not going to find who will buy it for 2 billion and 3 billion. Who does that? We'll take back our land and give it to those who want to develop. And you must sign that you must develop at so time. So, if you are part of those who have been getting such land, it will come back to us. And some people are saying, oh, Abuja is not doing this, Abuja is not doing that. Those of you who also have refused to pay a ground rent, non-payment of ground rent is a breach of covenant. I don't need to write you to pay. You know this word is not. You're like a tenant. At the end of the month, you're supposed to pay social amount, for example. And then you say, oh, my landlord has done refuse to me. No, it doesn't make sense. Because Abuja needs money too. You know, part of the revenue, or source of revenue, is grant. So if you have not paid, be it national, whatever you call it, Banco, anywhere, big man, sorry. I will not be tired to revoke. That's why I'm here. It is true.